In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Google Calendar along with the event details. Whether you need a hard copy for your office or just prefer working from paper, this guide will walk you through the simple process of getting a printout of your calendar with all the necessary information included. Let's start by opening your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll be presented with the full view of your calendar. Here you can see all your scheduled events laid out in a convenient format. Next, you'll need to choose the specific date range that you want to print. You have several options to select from: day, week, month, year, a custom 4-day view, or even a schedule view. You can find these options at the top right corner of the page. Select the time frame that best suits your needs for printing. This flexibility allows you to focus on a specific period, whether it's daily appointments or an overview of your monthly engagements. Once you've decided on the date range, it's time to move to the settings gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this gear icon will open a drop-down menu. From here, select the option labeled Print. This action will open up a print preview window, providing you with a look at how your calendar will appear on paper. This is where you can customize your print settings. The print preview allows you to fine-tune various aspects of the printout to best meet your preferences. You can choose the page orientation, paper size, and whether or not to include additional calendar details such as event descriptions and attendees. Take your time to adjust these settings to ensure that your printout will be both complete and easy to read. After customizing your print preview, you're almost ready to print. Simply click the Print button. Keep in mind that the specific print dialog box you'll see can differ based on your browser and operating system. This step will initiate the printing process, sending your calendar straight to your printer. If you're using a printer connected to your network, make sure it's selected in the dialog box before proceeding. So there you have it, your Google Calendar with all event details neatly printed out, ready for use. With this straightforward guide, you can now have your schedule in hand whenever you need it. Whether it's for review, planning, or sharing with others, having a physical copy of your calendar is sometimes just what you need to stay organized and on top of all your upcoming engagements. Happy printing and stay organized.